If you want a soft, warm breakfast without spending time in the kitchen, try this. Hi, friends. I'm Nancy. Today, I want to show you how this small, simple breakfast can make your morning feel calmer and more enjoyable. Let's make it together. Start by taking 2 ripe bananas and cutting them into bite-sized pieces. You can slice them a little thicker or thinner, depending on what you like, but aim for pieces that are easy to wrap and easy to eat. This is a wonderful way to use up ripe bananas sitting on the counter. From just 2 bananas, you can make about 16 pieces. And I'll tell you honestly, these disappear fast. They're the kind of snack you keep reaching for without realizing it. Next, prepare about 5 slices of sandwich bread. Cut off the crusts, or use crustless bread if you have it. That saves time and gives a softer texture. Now, gently flatten each slice. You can use a spoon, a rolling pin, or even a bottle. Make sure you press evenly, especially in the 4 corners. Flattening the bread is important because thin bread wraps around the banana more tightly and won't come loose while cooking. Place a piece of banana close to the edge of the bread, then roll it up gently but firmly. When you reach the end, press the edge lightly so it sticks. This small step helps the roll stay neat and secure, and it also makes the finished pieces look much nicer. Once all the rolls are done, cut them into bite-sized pieces. If you make a big batch, here's a helpful tip. These can be stored at room temperature for 3 to 4 days, as long as you cook them until they're fully dry. This makes them perfect for preparing ahead. Now take 1 egg and use only the yolk. Whisk it gently. The yolk gives the bread a beautiful golden color. You can brush it over the outside or dip each piece lightly. Sprinkle a little black or white sesame on top for aroma. Cook them in an air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes, adding more time if you want extra crispness. If using a pan, keep the heat low and turn them often. Controlling the heat is the key to a crispy outside without drying the inside. When they're done, the outside is crisp, the inside is soft. And the banana is naturally sweet and chewy, no butter, no honey, just simple comfort. Give it a try, share it with someone you love, and don't forget to subscribe so we can keep cooking simple, honest food together. Next, I want to show you a simple banana-filled sandwich that you can make right on the stove. No oven, no special equipment, and just a few minutes from start to finish. The first time I made this, I honestly didn't expect much, but 1 bite was enough to surprise me. The outside turns lightly crisp, while the inside stays soft and chewy, filled with warm banana and the gentle aroma of butter. It's the kind of treat that feels comforting and familiar, especially when you have a couple of ripe bananas sitting on the counter and don't know what to do with them. Let's start with the bananas. Try to choose bananas that are nicely ripe. Yellow with a few brown spots is perfect. That's when they're naturally sweet and full of flavor. You'll need 2 large bananas, or 3 smaller ones. Slice them into small pieces so they cook evenly. Add them to a pan with 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine and about half a tablespoon of sugar. If your bananas are very ripe, you can reduce the sugar or skip it entirely. Cook everything over low heat, stirring gently until the bananas soften. Once they're tender, use your fork to mash them into a smooth paste. Add just a tiny pinch of salt. This doesn't make it salty. It simply balances the sweetness. Keep stirring until the filling looks thick, slightly dry, and smells wonderfully buttery. Then turn off the heat and let it cool. While the filling rests, prepare the bread. Take sandwich bread and cut off the brown crusts, or use crustless bread to save time. Flatten each slice with a rolling pin, a bottle, or even the back of a spoon. This step really matters. Thin, even bread wraps more easily and sticks better, so the rolls stay neat and don't open while cooking. Next, prepare a simple egg mixture using 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened milk. Beat it well. This mixture gives the bread a beautiful golden color and keeps it soft when pan-fried. Spoon about 1 tablespoon of banana filling into the center of each slice of bread. You can adjust the amount to your liking. Brush the egg mixture lightly on both sides of the bread. Then roll it up gently, pressing the edge to seal. Once rolled, dip the entire piece into the egg mixture so it's evenly coated. This layer is what gives the sandwich its lovely color and aroma. Before we continue, I'd love to know where are you watching from today. Please tell me your city or country in the comments. Using the same pan, add a little butter and heat it over low heat. Place the rolls in the pan and cook each side for about 2 minutes. Keep the heat low. This allows the outside to turn lightly crisp without burning, while the inside stays soft. As they cook, you'll notice the warm scent of butter and banana filling the kitchen. When they're done, the outside will be lightly golden and crisp, and the inside will be soft, sweet, and fragrant. Slice one open, and you'll see the thick banana filling inside. These can be stored in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days. When you're ready to eat, just warm them for about a minute. They're perfect for a quick breakfast or a simple snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share it with someone you love. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, comforting recipes. Before you go, I hope today's recipe reminded you that good food doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few simple ingredients and a little care, you can turn ripe bananas and eggs into something warm, comforting, and truly satisfying. Take your time in the kitchen, cook at a gentle pace, and enjoy the process. It's just as important as the meal itself. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you for spending these moments with me, and I hope this small idea makes your day a little easier and a little brighter.